Okay, we're going to check yesterday's work in your Voyages book 7.3 words used as adverbs and prepositions. All right, so depending on how it's used, that's how you determine which part of speech it is. So you were supposed to write whether the underlying word is being used as an adverb or a preposition, and then just put either A or P in the blank next to it. So let's take a look at them. The first one, Kiyoshi called out that he would see us around. All right, Kiyoshi, what did he do? He called out, all right, that he would see us. How would he see us around? It tells you how the action is done. So that's an adverb. A is what you should have put there. Number two, can you see the clipper ship just above the horizon? Above the horizon. That's a prepositional phrase. So that's a P for preposition. Number three, we walked around the block twice before finding the parakeet. We, what did we do? We walked. Where did we walk? Around the block. All right, there is an object to that preposition. Preposition for number three. All right, number four. Jean fell down 3 times during the skating competition. Jean, what did Jean do? She fell. Where did she fall? Down. There's no object to that preposition. It just tells you how the action is done. So that's an adverb. Number 5, the ball went through the open window and landed on a couch. The ball, it went, where did it went? Through window. Prepositional phrase, so that's a P. Number 6, the recovery crew is standing by for every football game. Recovery crew, that's your subject, is standing. Where are they standing? By. There's no object to that preposition, so that makes it an adverb. A. Number 7, Marcus and Caleb like to lead canoe trips down the river. Marcus and Caleb like to lead what? Trips? Where? Down the river. There is an object to that preposition, so that's a prepositional phrase. Number 8, please be home before supper to set the table. Be home before supper. Preposition. Number 9, below the surface there is an abundance of minerals. There is an abundance of minerals below the surface. There's an object to that preposition, so that would be P. And number 10, we needed to let the carpet dry out for a few days. We needed to let the carpet do what? Dry. How? Out. It tells you how the action is done. So it's just an adverb. All right, the next section. The first sentence in each pair uses the italicized word as an adverb. You needed to add words to the second sentence to use the same word as a preposition. So you need to add an object to that preposition. Number 11, lift the box off. Lift the box off the kitchen table, off of the floor, all kind of different ways you could do that. Number 12, the squirrel scurried along. The squirrel scurried along the fallen log, scurried along the roadside until he got ran over. Okay, number 13, I read this book before. Or I read this book before class or before I went to bed. Number 14, the wild Mustang one more time. The wild Mustang ran near. The wild Mustang ran near the other horses or anything along like that. Okay, and that last three, the last 3 sentences, you had to create your own sentences. So I will check those when you send them in.